There's an interesting concept that's been creating quite a buzz in the crypto world: staking. In 2024, the total value locked in staking is estimated to be over $40 billion. I mean, that's more than the GDP of some countries. So what is staking actually? How does it work? And can everyone participate in it? Let's find out. Understanding staking. When you're at a party, there's always that one person who just seems to be in the middle of everything. They're making sure the music's right, the snacks are flowing, and everyone's having a good time. Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, that person is you when you're staking. Staking is like being the life of the party in the crypto world. You're not just holding on to your coins in your digital wallet. You're actively participating in the network of a particular cryptocurrency. Okay, now let's say you're in a lottery, but instead of buying tickets with money, you're buying them with coins from a particular cryptocurrency. The more coins you have, the more tickets you get, and the higher your chances of winning. This is the essence of proof of stake, or just POS in short. It's a method that cryptocurrencies use to secure their network. Let's say you own 1% of the total coins of a particular cryptocurrency. In a POS system, this means you theoretically have a 1% chance of being chosen to validate transactions and create new blocks. I mean, it's like having a 1% stake in a company. You may not run the day-to-day operations, but you have a say in the big decisions. Interestingly, in a power of work POW system, miners compete against each other to solve complex mathematical problems. However, in a POS system, there's no race. Instead, the system randomly selects a validator based on the number of coins they're staking. And the best part is this method uses significantly less energy than POW. To understand why, think about the amount of electricity a computer needs to solve those complex mathematical problems in a POW system. But with POS, since there's no race, there's no need for all that energy. How are rewards generated? All right, so now we know what staking is. Let's talk about the fun part, how staking rewards are generated. Well, it's a bit like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, the right recipe, and a little bit of patience. But yeah, let's just break it down. First, you need some coins to stake. This is like your flour, it's the base of your cake. The more coins you stake, the bigger your potential rewards. Next, you need a network that uses POS. This is like your oven, where the magic happens. Like we said earlier, in a POS system, the network randomly selects a validator based on the number of coins they're staking. Now, when you're chosen as a validator, you get the opportunity to create a new block on the blockchain. And just like how you might get compliments for your beautifully decorated cake, you get rewarded for creating a new block. These rewards come in the form of additional coins. For example, if you were staking 100 coins and the annual reward rate was 5%, you'd earn 5 additional coins over the course of a year. Not too shabby for simply holding onto your coins, right? Types of rewards. In addition to the block rewards, you can also earn transaction fees. Every time a transaction is made on the network, a small fee is charged. As a validator, you get a portion of these fees. It's like the cherry on top of your cake, or in this case, your staking rewards. If the network charges a transaction fee of 0.1%, and there are 1,000 transactions per day, you could earn an additional 1 coin per day from transaction fees. That's 365 additional coins per year. Some networks also offer bonus rewards, and they can come in various forms, such as extra coins for validators who consistently validate transactions correctly, or special rewards during certain events or times. Why is staking needed? Until this point, perhaps some of you may be wondering, why is staking necessary in the first place? Why can't we just stick to the good old traditional ways of doing things? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning there's no central authority or any government controlling them. This is one of their biggest strengths, but it also presents a unique challenge. How do you maintain order in a system where everyone is equal? This is where staking comes in. By staking their coins, users show that they have a vested interest in the network. This helps maintain the integrity of the network and keeps everything running smoothly. Remember the proof of stake system we talked about earlier? Well, in a POS system, only those who stake their coins can validate transactions and create new blocks. This means that to launch an attack on the network, you'd need to own a majority of the staked coins. And since the value of these coins would plummet in the event of an attack, it would be like shooting yourself in the foot. Not a very appealing prospect, right? In a world where climate change is a pressing concern, the energy efficiency of POS systems is a big plus. Compared to the energy-guzzling proof-of-work systems, POS is a breath of fresh air. How to participate. So, we've talked about what staking is, why it's needed, and the sweet rewards it can bring. Now let's get to the point. How do you actually participate in staking? Well, first you're going to need some coins to stake. The type of coin you need will depend on the network you want to participate in. If you want to stake on the Ethereum network, you'll need Ether, ETH. If you want to stake on the Cardano network, you'll need ADA. You can buy these coins on a cryptocurrency exchange, earn them through mining if the network supports it, or receive them as a payment or gift. I mean, there are plenty of options, and the choice is yours. Once you have your coins, you'll need a place to store them. This is where your digital wallet comes in. Again, there are different wallets to choose from, with their own features and security measures. Some wallets even have built-in staking features, making it easy for you to stake your coins. Now that you have your coins in your wallet, it's time to start staking. Each network has its own process for this, but generally, it involves locking up your coins in your wallet and connecting to the network. Let's say you've decided to stake 100 ETH on the Ethereum network. At the time of writing, the annual reward rate for staking ETH is about 4%. This means that over the course of a year, you could earn approximately 4 ETH just from staking rewards. And yes, this doesn't include any transaction fees or bonus rewards you might earn. What is delegation staking? Interestingly, there's a way to participate in staking without doing all the heavy lifting. Depending on the network, you might have the option to delegate your stake. Let's say you're at a fancy restaurant. You're not in the kitchen cooking the food, but you're still enjoying the delicious meal. That's delegation staking in a nutshell. You delegate your coins to a validator who then stakes those coins on your behalf. I mean, you still own your coins, but the validator is the one who does the actual staking. But why would you want to delegate your stake? Well, let's be honest, staking can be technically complex, and by delegating your stake, you can simply enjoy the rewards of staking without needing to understand all the technical details. Another reason could be the amount of coins. By delegating your stake, you can participate in staking even if you don't have a lot of coins. The process starts with choosing a validator. This is an important step, as the validator will be responsible for staking your coins and earning rewards. Once you've chosen a validator, you delegate your coins to them. The number of coins you delegate will determine the size of your stake and, consequently, the amount of rewards you can earn. Next, the validator takes your delegated coins and stakes them on the network. They validate transactions, create new blocks, and earn rewards. While you sit back and get a share of the rewards, the exact amount of reward will depend on the agreement you have with the validator. But generally, you'll get a proportionate share based on the size of your stake. Choosing the right crypto. Now that we know how to participate in staking, a question naturally arises. How do we choose the right cryptocurrency for staking? Well, it involves considering 6 factors. Number 1, market capitalization. Larger market cap often means more stability. Number 2, token price volatility. Less volatility might mean less potential stress. Number 3, project's use case and long-term viability. Does the project solve a real-world problem? Does it have a future? Number 4, team's experience, expertise, and vision. Of course, a strong team can often lead to a strong project. Number 5, staking reward APY, lockup, and requirements. Higher rewards are attractive, but what are the requirements and conditions? Always read them properly. Number 6, token economics, tokenomics. How are the tokens distributed? What's the total supply? Now, all these 6 factors aren't an exhaustive list. We always say in our videos to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance. You might have a different lifestyle and different investment goals. Like we said in the start of our video, the total value locked in staking is estimated to be over $40 billion. That's a lot of trust put into staking by investors worldwide. And that's a wrap. Staking is surely an exciting aspect of the crypto world, as it offers potential returns, contributes to network security, and even gives you a say in network governance. So what are your thoughts? Have you tried staking? What was your experience like? Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on an introduction to DeFi Explained, simply for beginners. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.